The sun was big and bright in space.
太阳在太空中又大又亮。
The sun was big and bright in space. The Space King said, "Let's have a race."
太空之王说：“我们来比赛吧。”
The Space King said, "Let's have a race." Across all 8 planets, he added.
他补充说：“比赛要跑过8大行星。”
Across all 8 planets, he added. The rabbit said, "I'm the fastest."
兔子说：“我跑得最快。”
The rabbit said, "I'm the fastest." The turtle smiled. "Maybe slow can win too."
乌龟微笑说：“慢慢的也能赢哦。”
The turtle smiled. "Maybe slow can win too." They started on hot Mercury near the sun.
他们从最靠近太阳又热的水星出发。
They started on hot Mercury near the sun. The rabbit jumped fast. The turtle moved slow.
兔子跳得快，乌龟走得慢。
The rabbit jumped fast. The turtle moved slow. On Venus, yellow clouds made it hard to see.
在金星上，黄色的云让人看不清楚。
On Venus, yellow clouds made it hard to see. The rabbit coughed. The turtle kept going.
兔子咳嗽，乌龟继续前进。
The rabbit coughed. The turtle kept going. They saw a blue earth with white clouds.
他们看到蓝色的地球和白云。
They saw a blue earth with white clouds. The rabbit stopped to take a space selfie.
兔子停下来拍太空自拍照。
The rabbit stopped to take a space selfie. The turtle waved to people on Earth and moved on.
乌龟向地球上的人挥手，继续往前。
The turtle waved to people on Earth and moved on. On red Mars, the dust was strong.
在红色的火星上，尘土飞扬。
On red Mars, the dust was strong. The rabbit sneezed. The turtle used a mask.
兔子打喷嚏，乌龟戴上口罩。
The rabbit sneezed. The turtle used a mask. At Jupiter, the biggest planet, storms roared.
到了最大的木星，风暴轰隆作响。
At Jupiter, the biggest planet, storms roared. The rabbit hid. The turtle moved through the storm.
兔子躲起来，乌龟穿过风暴。
The rabbit hid. The turtle moved through the storm. At Saturn, the rabbit jumped on the shiny rings.
到了土星，兔子跳上闪亮的光环玩耍。
At Saturn, the rabbit jumped on the shiny rings. The turtle kept moving to Uranus and Neptune. It was cold.
乌龟继续前进到天王星和海王星，好冷啊！
The turtle kept moving to Uranus and Neptune. It was cold. The rabbit slipped on ice. The turtle reached the end.
兔子在冰面上滑倒，乌龟到达了终点。
The rabbit slipped on ice. The turtle reached the end. The Space King said, "Turtle wins. Slow hearts shine bright."
太空之王说：“乌龟赢了，有耐心的心最闪亮。”
The Space King said, "Turtle wins. Slow hearts shine bright."